We needed to make investments in both our people as well as our equipment and our software technologies. We were able to use PartMaker to do both of those. FTT has been in business since the middle 80s. In the last 4 years, we've made a shift from producing primarily industrial precision components to medical components and other parts such as aerospace. And PartMaker allowed us to not only train and utilize the minds of our engineers, but also to transition that into complex componentry at the CNC controller and on some of the more complex machines we purchased. The Morisiki NT1000 is an advanced machining platform. It's a 13-axis mill turn, and it's the equivalent of the Ferrari or Porsche of the industry. When we first purchased the machine, there were very few operators that were able to run it or program parts for it. We turned to PartMaker, and what it allowed us to do was not only take a customer's concept and print and make it into reality, but it also improved the learning curve for our operators and our engineers to program the machine and run components on it. This part is called a bone broach. Typically this is a 3 to 4 machine process in vertical or horizontal mills, as well as a multi-axis grinder. PartMaker helped us develop a platform with the NT1000 to make this, cut the teeth, and do all the machining in one process. We do a couple small finish operations outside of the machine, but 95% of the component is done on the NT1000 with PartMaker. It's improved our bottom line in that we're getting more efficient in our setup and development times. In being able to do this now in a mill turn platform and do it with PartMaker, it's probably shortened our development cycle about 50%. We're looking forward to working with PartMaker as we add new machinery and develop new posts, as well as we look at new processes. In the medical industry, things are constantly changing. The parts get more complex. We start machining plastics, we start looking at different components that need special attention, and PartMaker is going to allow us to continually meet those needs. PartMaker is taking us to that next level of advanced machining that a lot of shops will not be able to do without a partner like PartMaker.